Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to make this DIY steering wheel cover. Protect your hands from extreme temps with this simple car accessory sewing project. Let's get started. Start by cutting the fleece. You want a piece that is 43 inches long by 4.5 inches wide. The one thing to note when you are cutting is you don't want the stretch of the fabric to be on the long cut. You want the 4.5-inch cut to be with the stretch of the fabric. Line the two ends of the fabric up and clip or pin them together. If you are using fabric that has a print on one side, make sure you sew it with the print touching each other. Sew the ends together using about 1/2 inch seam allowance. Be sure to do a back stitch at the start and finish. Now open and flatten that seam you just did. Fold the edge of the fabric in on it by about 1/2 inch. Clip it in place and work your way all the way around that side, clipping the edge in place as you go. When you are done, do the same with the other side. Sew those folds down. You want to sew it as close to the edge of the fabric as you can. Do a back stitch at the start and finish. Don't sew it all the way around. Leave about 3/4 of an inch opening on each side so we can add the elastic. Stick the safety pin through one end of the elastic. Then, feed it through the opening in the fabric. Feed it all the way around until it comes back out where you started. Remove the safety pin and tie the two ends together in a knot. You want to pull the knot as tight as you can to make it as small as you can, or it will leave a lump when you put it on the wheel. Tuck the knot inside of the fabric and then sew the opening closed. Repeat the last 3 steps to do the other side. And that's it. Now you have a custom steering wheel cover to protect your hands from the heat and cold. This would make a fun gift for the holidays. Be sure to check out all our sewing projects for more gift-giving inspiration. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest sewing content. Thanks for watching.